We love our cars. They take us on adventures, get us to work, and become a part of our lives. But just like us, our cars need a little TLC to look and feel their best. That's where car detailing comes in. It's more than a car wash, it's a complete makeover for your car's exterior. Think of it as giving your car a spa day. Detailing protects your car's paint. Sun, dirt, and grime can damage the paint, making it look dull. Detailing removes these harmful elements, keeping your car shiny and new. Detailing also helps to maintain your car's value. A well-maintained car is more appealing to potential buyers. This is especially important if you plan to sell your car in the future. Finally, a detailed car just looks and feels amazing. It's a joy to drive a clean, shiny car. You'll feel proud to show it off to your friends and family. Before you begin detailing, gather all the necessary supplies. This will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. First, you'll need 2 buckets. One bucket will be for soapy water, and the other for rinsing your wash mitt. This is crucial for preventing scratches. You'll also need car wash soap, a wash mitt, microfiber towels, a wheel brush, and a hose with a spray nozzle. Next, consider specialized products for specific tasks. A bug and tar remover will help to loosen stubborn grime. A clay bar kit can remove embedded contaminants, leaving your car's paint feeling smooth as glass. Finally, choose a wax or sealant to protect your car's paint and give it a brilliant shine. There are many different types of waxes and sealants available, so it's important to choose one that is right for your car's paint type and your budget. While optional, a clean engine bay adds to the overall appeal. Use a degreaser and a brush to gently scrub away grime. Remember to cover sensitive electrical components before rinsing. Wheels accumulate the most brake dust and dirt. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner and brush to scrub them thoroughly. Before you start washing, rinse your car thoroughly with water to remove loose dirt and debris. This will help to prevent scratches during the washing process. This technique is essential for a scratch-free wash. Fill one bucket with soapy water and the other with clean water. Dip your wash mitt in the soapy water, wash a section of your car, and then rinse the mitt in the clean water bucket. Repeat this process until your entire car is washed. Use a bug and tar remover to soften and lift off stubborn spots. Allow the product to dwell for the recommended time before wiping it away with a microfiber towel. Section 4. The finishing touches. Perfecting the look. The magic of clay. A clay bar removes embedded contaminants that washing alone cannot. Spray a clay lubricant on a section of your car and gently rub the clay bar back and forth over the surface. You'll be amazed at how smooth your car's paint feels afterward. Wax on, shine on. Waxing protects your car's paint and enhances its shine. Apply a thin, even coat of wax to your car's paint using a foam applicator pad. Allow the wax to haze over before buffing it off with a microfiber towel. Tire dressing delight. Apply tire dressing to your tires to give them a deep black shine. Avoid getting tire dressing on your wheels or paint. Finally, take a step back and admire your work. Your car should be sparkling clean and looking its best. Section 5. Product Spotlight 2025's Detailing Superstars. 2025 brings a new wave of eco-friendly and budget-friendly detailing products. EcoShine Bio Wash. This biodegradable car wash soap is tough on dirt, but gentle on your car and the environment. NanoGuard Ceramic Coating. This advanced ceramic coating provides long-lasting protection against scratches, UV rays, and environmental contaminants. For budget-conscious detailers, value Shine Wash and Wax. This 2-in-1 product cleans and protects your car's paint in one easy step. Black Magic Tire Spray. This affordable tire dressing delivers a deep black shine that lasts. Remember, regular car detailing keeps your car looking its best and protects your investment. With a little effort and the right products, you can achieve professional-level results at home.